Hello friends, this is Gokul from Google Tech, and today in this video we are going to see a simple replacement formula where it enables us to fill the number of rows or columns without using fill handle in mouse. How to do that we are going to discuss in this video clearly. I request everyone not to skip this video so that you will not miss any piece of information about that particular formula which we are going to use. And moreover, we are giving our practice file link in a file, and then we are giving that download link in our description box. Please visit us, and then the details of everything about the previous videos are we have uploaded in our website, and the link of website is also provided in the description box. You can go ahead and watch it. Let's start with the today's session. So ideally, this is another daily basis scenario which we are working with Excel, right? Now, in an example, I want to fill the date for the required number of days. Normally, ideally, what we will do if I want to do it for every day. So I'm just giving an example for creating it for 2024 and equal to plus 1 I'll give. Automatically it will go for the 2nd of Jan. So to fill the series, I'll select those two and I'll drag this particular button. It automatically fills the data, but you can see there is an increment in days based on that selection which we have done. Or else to avoid this, what we'll do, we select this particular cell and then we'll drag it down to get it filled for the series of dates, right? And if I do this, if I want to do the same for the column wise, I'll do the same plus 1 and I'll use the mouse button in the right bottom corner to drag it number of cells I need to do. To avoid this, it is a difficult task to enter the number of dates or the number of days we need to see in our thing. To overcome that, in Microsoft 365, they came with a new formula where it helps you to update the number of days required as I filled it over here. Let's start with function, what we are going to do. So here I'm going to give the start date, which is my 01 and 01 2024 in the next year of 2024. I want to see the number of rows with let's say I want to see for 15 days. So what I'm going to do is equal to the formula is sequence, SEQUENCE. It says returns a sequence of numbers, which means how much ever sequence we need we can able to get that. And rows, you want to fill it in the row wise, you then give the number. So I'm going to select this particular number which is 15 is required, and we are not going to fill it in the column series, so we are going to fill it, I'm going to leave it as blank and give comma, and my start is 1/1/2024, and ensure that you are locking that particular cell reference. Hit enter. You can see the number of days we required is 15. It got automatically filled, and we can change the format of to date by selecting it. So 15 days we required, those 15 days is already added, right? Now we'll go to the second example that I need to fill the same days, number of days in column wise. So what I'm going to do is the same method we are going to fill, but this time in column method. So equal to sequence, my rows, it's not a rows, so give comma, columns, yes, how many columns? 15 columns, the reference, comma, and then starting is here, lock the cell, close the bracket, hit enter. So 15 number of days is added over here. So this is the two important steps we have in the new formula, which is sequence to update the value. So we have seen for separately for rows and columns. Will it work for both? Let's give a try over there. Equal to sequence, and again I'm starting with number of rows is 15, and number of columns also I'm going to give it as let's say for 3 comma, and my start date is on 1/1/2024. Let's close the bracket and hit enter. What is happening here? Let's see that. So ideally, the dates whichever we have entered is getting entered into 3 different columns with 15 rows, which means the number of days we are going to getting is till February 2024. It gets segregated into 15 rows with the 3 columns. So this is how we can use our sequence formula to get the series filled in our Excel sheet. It helps to eradicate the manual effort to enter and drag the mouse and even in the formula as well. Hope this video is clear. If you have any doubt in this video, please reach out to us. We'll happy to assist you in all the time. Thanks for watching. We'll meet you in an next exciting video. Until then, bye from us. Thank you. Have a great day.